Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what comes in the Sanicom 1 box. So I'm installing a kitchen in the basement. This is what I'm going to have the kitchen sink go into and pump it up into my sewer line. My sewer line runs in the top of my basement ceiling. So you get this parts bag with some adapters and different things and some clamps. Looks like some really long screws to mount it with, different worm clamps. These are flexible. You will have to cut the ends off of them. Now here's what the unit itself looks like. So these are some buttons to turn it on and like a status indicator light up here. It does come with a manual to kind of talk about it. And then the other manual kind of talks about how to install it. Okay, so this is the pump and this is where the water is going to go out. It's going to go up into my sewer line. That is a 1-inch discharge. Here is the vent line. There's where the vent line goes. The vent line is 1.5 inches. Again, that's flexible. So on the side here, this is where the gray water can come in from the sink. You are going to have to cut this off. Now, there's one on each side. So if you only have water coming in on one side, leave the other side that way. There's what this side looks like too. So there's all the dimensions, about 8 inches that way, 24 3/4. Stands about 13 3/4 tall. There it talks about, that's a 10 amp motor, 120 volts, 60 hertz. And it looks like taking this top off gives you access to some pressure switches. So you may have to take this off to get to some pressure switches. Yeah, take this screw off, looks like it's a star, and this screw off and you'll get to the pressure switches. Yeah, that's kind of a hard plastic. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.